Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha. Thanks for your time. Thanks for coming back. Today we're doing a whole chicken. I've watched it, seasoned it with some paprika, some salt, some thyme, some Old Bay, some black pepper. You can season it however you want to. You can even stuff it. The point today is just to show you can do a whole chicken in the air fryer, and we'll be doing that using the Bella Pro Series XL. So if you have a large family, this is the air fryer for you. Okay, everyone, so we have a whole chicken, crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. You can add your barbecue sauce at the 20-minute mark when you turn the chicken over. That way it won't get burned. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you. Bye.